dickhead. What was that? You fucking bastard.
Yeah, I think sometimes we all need someone to put that magnifying glass on our hands, or better yet, to put that magnifying glass upside our head so we could sing Oops Upside the Head with Solar. Oops Upside the Head with Solar. Oops Upside the Head with Solar. All right, guys. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. Whew, we party too much on this channel. Yeah, so why in the world do we import kerosene with all this sunshine? Why in the world do we import propane gas with all this sunshine? Why do we cut down trees and have all the landslide problems with all this sunshine? Nobody could argue that Africa does not have sunlight. We have been known for being a hot climate. So yes, let's utilize what we have. Oh, by the way, this is the Electro Demo channel. If you guys are new to this channel, this is a channel that is all about living off the land, living off grid, living on islands. That's why we're excited about our own Wakanda, Seaport City. Hopefully we'll put another S so it will sound like Seaport Solar City. So we're going to talk about solar cooker today, and we're going to talk about the ease of using solar cooker. This is my solar cooker right here, and then we're going to talk about how easy it is to cook with it. Look at that. The sound of 100% solar. Here's the cassava bread. Now here we frying some scrambled eggs, 100% solar. That's the second egg. Was seasoning salt. Here's the popcorn. You could hear the pop kernels. Solar powered popcorns, just to demonstrate how hot this thing could get. Popcorns are almost done. Yeah, so Sierra Leone Blunt Island must solar cook. It's an island. You don't want to import propane and kerosene and then use some kind of boat and swim all the way to the island. Just use the solar panel. Solar power, God-given energy source. Also, the Blunt Island, imagine if it's known for solar power, it could be a form of tourism. So you could actually add more money, add more value to your solar system. This is also to demonstrate that solar ovens could be big. So this could be used to bake bread. Again, this is all independent energy anywhere in the world, even an island. Look at the fresh baked bread. And nice thing about solar, it's always an even source of energy. This is a prototype from a Wilson. You could see it's a magnifying glass on top and basically focuses on the food. This should be our technology because we are the sun people. I mean, why isn't this something that we are using? You know, we have the sunlight, we have the capability. This is our future. Solar energy. we do not need anything else. We definitely do not need this scene. A line of people waiting for kerosene that's imported into the African continent while you're sitting there under the half past one sun, under the really hot sun. Well, guys, I hope you like the solar demonstration. This is the Electro Demo channel. Again, if you are new, click the like button and make sure you put the notification. I just want to say again, thank you so much, and I will see you later.